Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Budapest. Look at it, it's Columbo. If you don't know who Columbo is, you just date it yourself. Go Google him. Best crime fighter in the world. Nobody could match his abilities. Just the greatest. I bought this guy. I actually saw him as I was driving by on the scooter, came back, bought him 2 days later, love it, added it to my collection. Alright, here we go. Let's go for a ride. Alright, we're on a bird. Hey, what's up, guys? No, I am Reagan himself. There's the Parliament. Ronald. I think that's George Bush Sr. over there. And a Russian memorial. So let's go check out old George. Since old Ronald Reagan right here is the man. Freaking. Woo. Oh, we're dead again. Definitely not a... Oh, what's up, Bentley? The best mode of transportation around here. Alright, the Budapest Metro, as you see here, is the world's oldest electrified underground railway system in the world, and the second oldest underground railway system with multiple stations, after originally steam-powered London Underground. Budapest Iconic Line 1 was completed in 1896. Since 2002, the M1 line was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, while the original Metro Line 1 is the oldest electrified underground railway in the continental Europe. It is not the oldest underground railway. Outside the United Kingdom, the oldest fully underground urban railway in the world is the Tunnel line in Istanbul, built in 1875, and you better believe we will be visiting that here shortly. So keep on watching, guys. This is nothing but Budapest at its finest. say thank you guys for joining me on this episode. Please stick around for the next episode. What's coming next will blow your minds. Here's a peek. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and tell all your friends about Blue Moose Traveler. Pack off for now.